Problem abo sister stock feeling ama cheetah de koni mam ko pose boni na ring emafoni problem abo sister stock feeling ama cheetah de koni mam ko pose boni na ring
tradition yabantu bakithi who came before uzakuthiwa bebhalwe kuphi. So because it was not written anywhere, then it becomes a case of, okay, you don't know what the truth is. Godwa nayo lebhaliwe sometimes ivarna, and the ivar according to ban, you know. So that's why ngithi ivarli alfani for abantu. Omunye umuntu ivar lakhe is what's written in the Bible. Omunye umuntu ivar lakhe is what they grew up seeing. Omunye umuntu ivar lakhe into azifundele yona encwadini somewhere. So it depends on what is your belief system before you can essentially say what is ivar. But there's a saying yashiwo out here man uthemake yishuthe prophet wathi there's no religion above the truth.
Yes, the truth is
ever since he said that, like that's it. Like
the truth is the only topest religion. Because even affirmation and
sure.
When you start affirming when I'm selling food, you know what? I affirm I'm this. I am what I am. Now the solar. Good to start on this will happen according to the will.
Sure.
So now Sinati Ivari brother and a perspective. Yeah, that individual that facing whatever the circumstances of him to what he relates with me.
Sure.
No, I probably put on that. Taking back to music, yes, we're screwing I hope when it comes to it, so festival la funeka bafethu. Wamele sike lokukhohlisana seke lokushashana sibhizi shama bia or siyenzani then sithi asinamali sispenda malini every day. Wenza malini ngokukhuluma every day. Ucabanga malini ekhanda lakho every day. So asibonisaneni siringeni ivari siba bangani bevari. You understand? Siphileni iqiniso ukuthi sikhona ukunderstand ivari. You understand? I believe ukuthi wonke umuntu une perspective yakhe when it comes to iqiniso. 1 2 let's practice iqiniso from sama sabantu abadala because remember sabazali bamanje nithi ringa gawo mask off na ngiyabona yadlala escreenini mask off.
Yeah man,
that's the one.
Amachance is zero gravity.
Yeah, ngiyabona khona yibithi ukhetha amachance ifishali la awukhabele kancane ngamachance.
Amachance aphuma eDK Deep Kloof Soweto Zone 4. Amachance we met I think 2013. I started rapping in 2010. 2012 actually I met Amachance. Amachance were already doing their thing. They were called the Black Damage back then. So Jongo we were busy with Black Damage back then. When we hooked up, that's when they were going into the transition of becoming Zero Gravity.
Oh yeah.
And they featured me on 2 tracks. And they like my style, they like my steez, they like my raps. And I featured them on 1 track. And from there, Amachance were like, yo, man, siyabona sharply, solo artist, Aman, can we push a movement? You know, we just started this thing called Zero Gravity.
Yes.
Rock up, let's see what we can do. So since 2013, since 2012, Saban Amachance, we did stuff in 2013, did performances, and 2015 things died out because life happens. You know, siyakhula sithola isipani, omunye nawo uthola isipani sekasePitori, omunye uthola isipani eseJozi. So these are part of the challenges of being a group. And sharp, well, we kept seeing each other, but music bokungasayenza kali as frequent. This is Amachance. And with the pandemic in 2020, when Corona hit, we were in a lockdown. Okay, well, Fede was still slangana nama-Jets vele, but one of the cats, Jake said to me, Eman, njengoba kuyi-lockdown, asishayeni i-track, man, as zero gravity. I mean, we haven't done much in a while, you know. So asirepheni and representing us still and show people that we are still out there doing our thing. And Utaso, yeah, the other rapper was like, yo, let's do that, you know. That's after Nangun Jakes has called me, then I was like, sharp, now about created a group. Here's WhatsApp and Zintos.com. We created a group, started chatting, and we got together. We did a mask off. The mask off is basically a concept to say, whatever's happening right now is odlula. So we will take our masks off
one time.
Yeah, at some point. And the reception has been dope. It's been too nice. At some point, we got an invite at some performance. We said government orientated thing, but due to the lockdown and the restrictions, I cut her short. So meaning we couldn't go there anymore because I signed the But yeah, emergency. We've been doing music together since 2012.
So let's talk about achievements. What are the biggest achievements that basically you've hoid or you've pushed as a brand, from being Metaphor as the artist, Beneplas? You understand?
Done shows at a couple clubs that are well known that I cannot advertise. You know, I will not advertise it. In fact, my capsule, this guy sponsor for this episode.
Yeah, because la kakhulunywa brand, bizwa brand. Khuluma ngawe as a brand. Whatever the brand that wants to tap into this movement, you understand? Is a brand, it's part of our brand. For instance, Alkaline.
Yeah.
Some lady, this guy was Temadota.
It's a good thing, man. It's a good thing. People are buying into the concept, you know, because esikhathini esiningi abantu bazobheka nje bathi anhle kwenzani, but when there's someone out there who says ngiyabona ukuthi wenzani, okay, no, bamba kanje, you know, qhubeka, you know, and it's beautiful. I need to sponsor something as a Beneplas as well. Since Alkaline is sponsoring, I need to sponsor as a
Dress me up on the next episode.
No.
Obviously, I have to talk about it because we were pushing work live, you know. We're not talking this. Speaking on umsebenzi wakho Bhuti, when it comes to a brand, do you have a shop? Sell your brand. Do you have a shop? Where can people buy the brand? Sales.
Okay, what you can do is firstly follow the pages, follow the social pages. It's Beneplas, just straight like that. BINNEPLAS, Beneplas. This is on Instagram and this is on Facebook. So once you are there, you'll get more information about the movement and what is happening, because currently we've got an online shop that we are pushing on. The social pages also will give you my links. There's a website that we are currently working on as well, so that people can see the other products outside of just Istwad. Njengoba bengithi Beneplas is not only about the clothing, you know. So we are working on that website currently, and yeah, kune shop eSoweto, Rockville, ngase Dibabas, Askis Bafethu. Yo, sometimes in the advertising is you know, but nada, it was old The Rock. We went to The Rock in a club being Rockville. So there's a shop very close to there. Autiami does sneakers. It's called Authentic Junction. Autiami owns sneakers. So walk into that shop, you'll definitely find merchandise here, Beneplas. And yeah, as for metaphors, in fact, I should take my because I've got physical copies, even though it's not the time of the physical copies as of music now. You know, that's one thing that technology, you know, was kuyo, because sekumele manje over either nge-USB, you know. But I'll put a couple copies down kuntwana, so that abantu bangathola nama-copy ka-Metaphors and hear more of what is it that I'm all about. But yeah, I'm working. I'm still in studio. Once you're an artist, before there's no way you can stop. You know, people can think you are quiet because when you are quiet, you are studying something else. You're doing something else in the game. But they should just look out. Metaphors, capital M, 13th led.
No, Putomtala Nyabonga, for your time. Thank you for usuka buntu sikeplazi
emfethu yo zero
no mfethu
abantu ababathi kusemzimba nkomo amazwe abathi kusemzimba nkomo but usezero nkomo. In fact nanoma uyigugula uyithole zero nkomo,
and it's not literally zero, but it's surbo.
It's surbo
because it's S. No, asibonge Putomtala ngesikhathi sakho with the time that you have given us, and there was Metaphor himself, Mr. Beneplus, ukutshelela more about his brand, ama links wakhe afakiwe khona laphayana. So no mama business bafethu uzo busy team omunye umntana lena lithi
lezinto zamahala abathanda
supporting local brands, supporting local artists. Let's support each other. A like for a like, a view for a view. Asibonge bafethu to everyone that has watched our show na engage na nasimamela nasikaya indlebe important indlebe bafethu nasikaya nalihlo ukuthi nikhona ukubona nalabo basichasile sibonga yonke into. Nevertheless, Putomtala, last motivation nje producer yakhala ithi ngivale nje, last motivation to the people that is involved.
Bafethu mina angikhuluma kakhulu esikhathini esibhaya my music speaks. So there's two mottos in life that I live by. One says chase the dream, not the competition, and that was by, I think I saw that on an Adidas advert way back in the days. That's how old I am. Adidas and then the second one is, it's not the speed of the bullet, it's the direction forward. Keep moving. Slow motion is always better than no motion. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. That's it.
I know that's profound, but thank you for your time, and thank you for everyone that stayed glued on their screens, stayed glued with their ears, which you know what, and that was one of the show, one of our episodes whereby we had a great artist, Metaphor, entrepreneur, a farmer.
In fact,
we are pushing. So
keep doing this one. The platform we creator, you know, for the artists, for influencers,
for everyone in fact ofita which you know it's nahlala phansi sikhenge nobhiya sikhengeni mfethu, and then nevertheless njalo
ringaka
asikhenge nalapha emakhaya asibongeni. Have a great one. See you next time, same place. Ungakhohlwa ringaka